Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video right here on my channel. And listen, we're jumping right into it. I missed you guys so much. I know I've been MIA for quite a bit, but your girl was busy and I'm just trying to get back on track. Now today's video is about my new camera and tripod. I am so happy. My birthday was June 25th, and this is one of the gifts that I requested, and I got it. I am so happy. So today we're going to be just unboxing my camera, and I got some accessories for the camera because you understand, girl, I go add and done. You understand me? We can't just get, listen, but I'm just happy right now. So this camera is the Sony ZV-1F. Now I did do some research on this camera, right, before me even did want it. First of all, let me stop. I do have two lovely phones, that I can record on, but I just think that it's time for an upgrade. Now guys, this video is not to tell you that you must get a camera, but sometimes you just feel like you want to upgrade, and it was given to me as a gift, so of course I'm going to take it. Now if you have your cell phone and you want to start doing content creation, just use your phone until you're able to afford, or until somebody is gifting you an upgrade, right? All right, so first things first, I'm going to open the box. Oh, my nails. I'm going to open the box. So this is what the box, the camera box looks like. It's really small, so I thought that it would have looked a little bigger based on the reviews that I saw. I thought it was a little bit bigger, but I guess not. So I'm showing you guys what it looks like. So we're opening it together, okay? So in the box, alright, so this is like telling you that there's a help guide and certain things inside. Okay, so I guess this is like a manual. This is probably telling you about a bunch of stuff. This is probably okay, this is the guide, protection plan. I did get a 3-year warranty. Alright, so this is the camera. So we have the camera. We're gonna look at the camera last. Let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, so this is the USB for charging. This looks like the mic. Well, I don't think it's a mic. This is, I don't know. I'm gonna learn whatever the proper name of this is. But this goes on the camera, right? Guys, remember that I am learning, and I am very excited to learn about this camera because I love content creation. Okay, so this is a battery. So you do get a battery. I've heard that the battery life isn't so wonderful on these cameras, so I told you that I got some accessories. I did went ahead and I ordered extra batteries because I want to be, when I'm doing my vlogging, I have no reason to be upset that my content cannot get done when I want it to get done. Alright, so this is the camera. It's very small. Ooh. This is the camera. Get a close up. You can open here. So one thing about this camera, guys, you cannot use it without a memory card. So I did order a memory card on Amazon. All the accessories that I got, I ordered them on Amazon. Alright, so this is what the camera looks like. We are going to set it up, put the battery in and everything, but let's check out the accessories that I got. So this is the tripod. This is the tripod kit, the vlogger kit they call it. Listen, you can, this is like $150, guys, but to be totally honest, if you don't want to get this, I know they have other tripods that's cheaper, but I put this on my birthday list that I wanted the matching tripod to go with the camera. So yeah, they say ask for what you want, you just might get it, right? So let's open up. Okay, so first things first, there's a little manual there, a little guide. Okay, it's a box in a box. Oh, hold on, there's something else inside. There's something else inside. What is this? Okay, this looks like oh, so it says it's a software. It's a memory card. It's a 64 gig memory card that comes inside this box. And then this is the next box that was inside. So it's, as you can see, it's a Bluetooth tripod, shooting grip with wireless remote commander. And I just love the way that it looks when you hold it in your hand and all of that good stuff. I am very excited. I am. Do I look a little dark? Hold on. Yeah, no, that's it. Alright, let's see what comes inside. Let's push these over. I'm setting up everything. So this might just be one of the last times that I will be doing my videos on my phones. Alright, so you get a bunch of, get that good, you know, instructions there on how to set it up. You do get your little dust bag for your tripod, and this is how the tripod comes, wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, looks good, huh? Looks so good. Check it out. Nice, so nice. All right, so it is a handheld tripod, or you can put it on the desk, on your desktop like this. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, this is telling you that something goes here. Oh, the battery, that you put your battery there, right? Or maybe you charge it there. Anyway, we will figure it out. But I want to put my camera on right now. Oh, before we get to the camera, guys, let me show you that I did get a camera case. I love yellow. I was gonna get the pink, but then I said let me try the yellow and see, because I did get a pink case, and I went with I went with the yellow. I love yellow, and I think this yellow is so bright and pretty. And you do get, in this set, you get the tempered glass for the camera. Let me turn the light down because I think it's a little bright. So you do get the tempered glass here, screen protector for the camera, because it makes no sense to have such an expensive device and you're not protecting it, right? And the cleaning cloth. So let's put that there. Let's put this on, making sure that I put it on the right way. So this is like a silicone case, you know, just like for your cell phones. Guys, all these items I'm going to link them down in my description box, so you can go ahead and get them, right? All right, so as you can see, it comes with a cover here, and you can flip it up, but I don't know if I would want to flip it up. I would want to take it off. Okay, you can take it off. See, you can take it off. So let's put the camera on. No, hold on. So maybe oh, so guess what, guys, I'm figuring this out while I'm here with you now. This case probably won't work because there isn't a hole in the case here for the tripod, because the tripod hole is right there. So I may have to send this one back. I'm wondering if they were trying to make the hole, but they didn't make it at the right place. They didn't bore the hole at the right place. Or maybe I just do it myself. I might just put a hole in there myself. It's not a big deal. Alright, so I'm gonna screw it on. So guys, this is what the camera looks like. I just feel no sir, yo, my hype. I mean, why isn't this in the middle though? You know, why isn't the tripod set in the middle? That's a little bit awkward, but we can work with it. But guys, I'm gonna do another video operating this camera because I have to do some learning now. I have to do some learning because it has quite a bit of functions, but it's so nice. Look at that, so good. And so far, based on the reviews, you know, this is an inexpensive camera compared to other cameras, and it does it. Listen, real good job. It does a really good job. A lot of the girls on YouTube, you know, this is the camera that a lot of persons are using. It takes great pictures. It does really good vlogging, like, and you can, the editing software that you can get and all of that, I may have to just buy that, or I can just use any editing software that I would want to use. But this is so stinking cute. And remember, the legs can open for you to, you know, if you want to record and you're sitting at a desk, you can open it like so. Also, guys, there are some other things that came. I want to talk about the case. So I did go ahead and got me this pink case. Feels kind of, I don't know, the strap kind of feels cheap, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I might just go ahead and get the black case, because there's a black case on there that looks really nice and sturdy. I just got this because, no, somebody probably had gotten this because there's a piece of hair. Tell me, why is there a piece of hair inside of my case? But anyway, it's pretty and cute, but it just feels flimsy. You know what I mean? It comes with a little strap. It just feels like it's a like a kid's thing. It doesn't feel nice and sturdy, and I like things to be nice and sturdy. I guess this is a Velcro strap. It's removable, so you can remove the insides, and it's big enough to hold the camera and the tripod, and all your little accessories goes in this part, right? Also, I did go ahead and got me a memory card. This is the 128, yeah, 128 gig. I am going to get a 256 gig because I don't want to have no problems with memory, you know, because sometimes you're just recording, because for me, I'll probably record probably like 5 different set of content throughout the day, and then I want to edit, and I don't want to be recording, you know, as my ideas come alive, or I'm working from my schedule and I'm just doing content, then I have a day that I edit. I don't want to have any problems with space and memory space or whatever. And as I had said, I think I showed you guys these already. This is the cleaning cloth. This is, oh, I got another set of tempered glass. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so if anything, I could probably send this back and get my money back because I already got a set for free, right? And then we have the battery. So I did order a set of 3 batteries, you know, because as I said, I don't want to have any issue with my camera being dead. I already saw that the girls talked about the battery life not being so good. So now I have 4 batteries, and that should be enough, you know. So if I decide that I want to do like a travel vlog, if I just want to go outside, I want to record in the stores, I should not have any issues with battery life. You know what I mean? So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save some for another video. So I'm gonna set my camera up right now. I'm gonna charge up my batteries before I put the battery in, and yeah, and then I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video to show you guys, you know, me turning it on, setting it up on a table, you know, show you the quality of the footage that I'm getting, you know, for daytime, nighttime. I'm gonna do a really nice video for you guys. Also, I'm going to link the camera in my description because it is on Amazon, guys, even though this one is coming straight from Best Buy, but these items are on Amazon. There is a Sony store on Amazon, so I'm gonna link everything that you see here or that I showed you in the video right here in my description box, so you can go ahead and click those links if you are interested in getting this. And this camera is about $600. To be honest, the price is not bad, guys. As I said earlier, the price is not bad for the type of quality work that it does. It's about $600 with taxes. The tripod is another $150, and I think on Amazon they have some bundles where you can probably spend $700 and get a whole bunch of stuff. But I didn't need all of that, so I just asked for exactly what I wanted because I have a bunch of tripods. And if you're somebody who wants to do movie and a whole lot of stuff, those bundles are perfect for people who are trying to do movies and a lot of big videos and stuff like that. I just want something simple to use to do my vlogging, my unboxing, my small little content creation that I am doing. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead and hit that like button. Please guys, to subscribe to my channel. I do have a ton more content that I want to put out here for you guys. And if you think you're gonna get this camera, go ahead and comment below what you think. If you want to recommend something, if you have had any experience with this camera or another camera from Sony, because I do like the Sony brand, you can go ahead and comment it below. All right guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.